Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw another Roblox Piggy character. This time it's gonna be the very cool looking kangaroo, Kenneth. So here's my full pencil sketch, sped up, and then right after this, I'll show you guys how to draw this line by line with a Sharpie. Alright, so let's draw this, and here's my sketch. So we're going to use this for reference. So to begin, we're going to draw in the hat first, and then we'll draw in the face. Okay, so to begin, we're just going to draw one line across. That's going to be the bottom of the hat. And then from here, we'll just go up, turn it into a rectangle. And let's go ahead and just draw in part of the hat on the top first. So we're just going to go up on the sides. Let's make it a little bit more pointy at the top right here. Alright, so once we have the hat, let's go ahead and draw in the face, and then we'll come back and draw in the ears. So in here, we're going to start right here. We're just going to draw one big bowl shape. And sometimes it's easier if you just draw in kind of like a bracket like this first. And then just round out the bottom. So these shapes are always hard to draw. And circle in general are very hard to draw. Okay, so just try your best. Just draw one big bowl. And then from here, right in the middle of this, just draw like a little egg shape on its side. That's going to be the nose. And let me shade that in real quick. Okay, and then once you have the nose, we're going to draw the snout area. So from the middle here, just go up. You can make a little point. And then from this point, we're going to go all the way down here. Okay, and then let's see, we have to draw the eyes. So just come out right in the corner right here. Just right underneath the hat. Just draw a circle. And then on the inside here, just one more circle. So this is going to give us the eyeball, and I'm going to draw a little circle inside, and that's going to be my highlight. I'll shade around that. Okay, and then on the side right here, just come out from the body of the eye, you make a little point. This is going to be at the bottom of this. Let's draw a little angle coming out. And then one more on the bottom. Okay, same thing here. Just come across. And then for the whiskers, super easy right here. Middle of the circle, just come out, just draw one line. And then draw one more on top and bottom. Point the lines toward the center. Alright, so let's come back up here and finish up the ears. So let's see, you can make a little point right here. Go out and then come back to the corner right here. It's going to give us the ears. And then one more line on the inside. Alright, and then for the beanie right here, if you want to add in some detail, one in the center, and let's draw two more on each side. On this one right here, I'm just going to draw two. Okay, so it doesn't have to be exact because it's supposed to be cloth. Alright, so that's the head, and now let's draw in the body. Okay, so just come out here. Here's your shoulders. I'm going to come down here. This is going to be his armpit. Make two little points. Just curve down all the way down to his waist and just close this off first. And let's draw in the belt up here. We'll make the body a little bit smaller. So I'm just going to draw one line across. In the center. Draw 2 lines, and then on each side, draw 1 more. And then this part's supposed to be black, so I'll just shade this in real quick. So he's gonna be wearing those suspenders. All right, and then for the suspenders, just start from here. This little corner, just go all the way up. Same thing here. So that's 1. And then this side right here, this is gonna go toward right there. And then same thing here. Okay, so this could be all black, and I'll shade it in later. Let's go ahead and draw in the arms first, and then we'll draw in the legs. All right, so we'll come back out here. Here's the armpit. Just come down right around here. And then come back up to the shoulder. Just go all the way down. And then close it off with a little slant right here. Okay, same thing here. Let's draw this side. And then for the fist, very simple. Start right here. Come down, one little hook. Here's the back of the hand or the fist. And then just come round it, step it down, and just tuck it right in there. Okay, same thing here. Hook, back of the fist. Come down and then just hook it up. All right, so now for the legs, and the legs are pretty simple. Let's come down here. We'll just come down about halfway to his knee right here. Come toward the center. And then we're gonna come down. So this is gonna be the inside of the leg. And now we'll just close this off. And then now for his foot, we're gonna start out on the inside first. So we're just gonna come down. Come down about halfway of this line, and then just go out, and then close everything off. Okay, so come down about halfway, close it off. And then to make it a little bit more three-dimensional, just extend this line, just go in. And I think lastly, one little detail right here. Looks like his shirts come all the way down here. So I'm just gonna draw one more line. And that is it for this kangaroo Kenneth. Hope you guys like the way it turned out. And if you do, please do give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.